Hello everyone, my name is Aman Gupta and today I am going to discuss about the time series analysis. So, introduction to time series analysis. Time series analysis is a powerful statistical technique that enables the examination and interpretations of data points that have been gathered and recorded over a period of time. By diving deep into the patterns, trends, and interrelationships between the data, this method allows researchers to uncover valuable insights and make accurate predictions about the potential future outcomes. In essence, time series analysis serves as a robust tool for exploring the dynamics and underlying patterns of temporal data sets. Components of time series analysis. Trends represent the long-term movement of a time series data. It can be increasing, decreasing or stationary. Trends analysis helps identifying pattern and makes predictions about the future values. For example, a clothing company has to analyze the market and its trend continuously to beat the market competitions. So they gather the huge data and perform time series analysis to makes the future demand. Seasonality refer to regular and predictable pattern that repeated over a fixed intervals of time. It can be daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. Seasonality analysis helps to understand the influence of seasonal factor on a data. Seasonality helps to predict the demand of the people in future. Noise, also known as random fluctuation or irregularity in the data. It represents the unpredictable and random component of the time series. Noise can be caused by measurement errors, outliers, or other random factors. Forecasting techniques. Moving average. Moving average is a commonly used technique in a time series analysis to smooth out fluctuation and identify trends. It's calculate the average of a specific number of previous data point to forecast the future's value. It is a statistical calculation used to analyze the data point by creating a series of average of different subset of a full data set. It is commonly used in a finance. Exponential smoothing. Exponential smoothing is a technique that assigns exponentially decreasing weight to past observation. It is particularly useful for forecasting data within a trends or seasonal pattern. ARIMA. ARIMA, Auto-Regressive Integrated Moving Average, is a popular forecasting model that combines autoregressive differentiation and moving average component. It is effective for time series data with trends and seasonality. Importance, economics and finance. Time series analysis is widely used in forecasting economic indicators, stock price, and financial market. Even its components like moving average is highly used in predictions of stock prices. Meteorology. It helps in predicting weather pattern, climate change, and natural disasters. Sales and marketing. Time series analysis is used to forecast sales, analysis customer behavior, and optimize marketing strategies. Healthcare. It aids in predicting disease outbreaks, analyzing patient data, and monitoring public health trends. Here are some of the case studies. Like financial forecasting. Time series analysis has been used to predict stock price and market trends, helping investors make informed decisions. By analyzing historical data patterns and trends can be identified, enable accurate forecasting of future financial outcome. Demand forecasting. Retailers and manufacturers use time series analysis to forecast demands for their product, optimizing inventory management and production planning. By analyzing historical sales data, seasonality, and trends, businesses can make data driven decisions to meet customer demand effectively. Energy consumption. Time series analysis is used to analyze energy consumption pattern, helping utilize and energy company optimize energy production and distribution. By understanding peak demand period and identifying energy saving opportunity, company can reduce cost and improve efficiency. Weather forecasting. Meteorology use time series analysis to predict weather conditions, improving the accuracy of forecast by analyzing historical weather data. Patterns and trends can be identified, enabling more precision predictions of temperature and other weather variable. Conclusion. Time series analysis is a powerful tool for analyzing and forecasting data that change over time. It helps identifying trends, patterns, and seasonality in the data, allowing for better decision making. By understanding the past behavior of a variable, we can make more accurate predictions about its future's behavior. Importance of time series analysis. Time series analysis is a crucial in various fields including finance, economics, weather forecasting, and sales forecasting. It provides valuable insight into the underlying dynamics of the data, enabling businesses and organizations to make informed decisions. With the increasing availability of data and advancement in analytical techniques, time series analysis is being even more important in today's data driven world.